Today marked a significant milestone at the Zonal Education Office Tahab, as it successfully hosted a vibrant cooking competition for Cook-cum-Helpers, CCHs under the PM POSHAN Scheme at BMS Litter. This colorful event saw enthusiastic participation from CCHs across different clusters, engaging in friendly competition while showcasing their culinary talents. The presence of the esteemed Zonal Education Officer, Shri Sajjad Wali Dar Sahab, added prestige to the occasion as he presided over the program and distributed appreciation certificates to the winning teams, fostering a spirit of achievement and recognition among the participants. As the event kicked off, the worthy CEO arrived at the venue, eager to immerse himself in the culinary activities. His genuine interest was evident as he observed the live cooking demonstrations, closely interacting with the participating CCHs. He took note of their preparation techniques, hygiene practices, and presentation skills. His active engagement and supportive words throughout the event acted as a powerful morale booster, encouraging participants to express their creativity and showcase their cooking expertise with pride. During his address, Shri Sajjad Wali Dar Sahab commended the unwavering dedication and enthusiasm displayed by the Cook-cum-Helpers. He emphasized that the midday meal scheme serves as more than just a feeding program. It plays a crucial role in child nutrition and education. Acknowledging the CCHs as the backbone of this vital mission, he asserted that initiatives like these competitions are essential in enhancing their skills, building confidence, and ensuring professional recognition in the field. Their efforts contribute significantly to the well-being of students and a brighter future for the community. The event was further enriched by the presence of the worthy principal of Higher Secondary School Litter, who offered unwavering support in organizing the competition. The meticulous coordination led by Shri Abbas-ul-Hassan Mir, ZNO PM POSHAN, and Shri Bashir Ahmad Magray, DNO PM POSHAN ensured everything ran smoothly. A judging panel comprised of dedicated teachers meticulously evaluated the participants based on hygiene, nutrition, taste, presentation, and resource efficiency, emphasizing the importance of adhering to set quality standards. The high point of the event was undoubtedly the certificate distribution ceremony, wherein the worthy CEO Tahab recognized the winners and participants for their outstanding culinary skills. This initiative underscores CEO Tahab's commitment to continuously empowering frontline workers and ensuring that every midday meal served in schools meets the highest benchmarks of quality, nutrition, and hygiene. This event showcased a united effort towards educational and nutritional excellence that resonates throughout the community.